Hello everyone, it's me again, John Larry Alarde, back at it again with another video. So today, we're all going to talk about the digestive system. So next is the factors affecting metabolic rate. First is age. Metabolic rate slows down as you grow older. This results to loss of muscle tissue and changes in hormonal and neurological procedures. Next is nutrition. Increase in metabolic rate is due to eating, digesting, and storing of food. Protein has a higher thermic effect compared to carbohydrates and fats. Next is activity. Moving activities is equal to increase in metabolism. Lean muscle mass is equal to increased resting metabolism. So next is the flow of food. So the flow of food starts from the mouth, then to the esophagus, to the stomach, then to the liver, through the pancreas, through the small intestine, and through the large intestine, and lastly to the anus. In the mouth, food is chewed, saliva starts digesting carbohydrates. In the esophagus, muscles in a process called peristalsis push down food down into your stomach. In the stomach, everything is blended with digestive juices. Hydrochloric acid kills bacteria. Enzymes breaks down proteins. In the liver, a green liquid called bile, which is stored in your liver, is secreted to break down fats. In the pancreas, many kinds of digestive enzymes are made here. Small intestine. Food is mixed with bile from your liver and juices from your pancreas to be sent back to your liver for more processing. Large intestine. And digestible food and water are processed here, stored and dispersed. And lastly, in the anus, solid waste passes from the rectum in order to leave your body. Next is fate and utilization of different biomolecules. First is carbohydrates. Complex carbs, except for fiber, are separated into little pieces with the help of amylase. They begin as starch, then digested into monosaccharides. Utilization, cellular metabolism, and uses. Excess is stored as glycogen or fat, converted to glucose in blood. Next is lipids, emulsified by the detergent action of bite salts, turned to monoglycerides and fatty acids or glycerol and fatty acids. Utilization, cellular uses, insulation, structural cell membrane, steroid hormones, myelin sheath, cellular metabolism. And then proteins. Ingested proteins are consumed and joined into the body. Nourishment proteins are hydrolyzed in the wholesome tract. Utilization, cellular uses, structural or functional proteins, cellular metabolism if inadequate glucose or fats. Next is maintaining of blood glucose level. The pancreas and liver. First, the pancreas. It maintains blood glucose level by secreting or releasing two different hormones, namely insulin and glucagon. First, the insulin. Insulin lowers the sugar level after eating and allows glucose to be taken in by cells for cellular respiration. Glucagon, on the other hand, raises your sugar if it is lacking or low and makes liver break down glycogen, turning it into glucose. And then the liver. It produces and secretes bile. Detoxification of blood stores and secretes glucose.